back again. And then I'll knock out a few tonight. Post them over the week here. Some newer stuff, some older stuff, some country stuff. I already did Beverly Hillbillies today. That I'll be working, getting uploaded for tomorrow. But here's a little bit of a newer of a song. Foster the People, Pumped Up Kicks. I think that's right. Yeah, two parts. I'm doing it by memory. There might be a bridge in there as well. I really should research stuff before I do the lessons, but I don't know. I've been lazy. So two parts. You get the verse and the chorus. And like I said, as far as I remember, I think that's all there is. But if there's a bridge, I might do a follow-up video later. But usually the bridge, if there is a bridge, follows the same chords, just in a different order. And they usually, it's always different. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Anyways, let's just get to the lesson and I can shut up. So song's in E. And that's where you start on your first fret on your low string there. So let's break that down. So start on the low string. So it starts in the E. So it's just a straight run up, and then you go to your second string with a hammer onto the first fret, and then you go to the third fret, hammer on again, and then open. Now this next part, to get back to the beginning, there's two different ways they do it in a song. There's one where they do that hammer on again and a pull off at the same time, and then you can just take you can just take the second fret and do a pull, a bend. Either way works, and I alternate them. You could do the bend and then the pull off, bend and pull off, because you do it 4 times, and do whatever you feel like you want to do. It's one of those things, you know, I've never tried to play songs exactly the same way. You know, some people do, and all the power to them, but I don't know. I like doing what sounds good to my ear. So anyways, so let's just go through it a couple times slow, and I'll alternate the ways I do it. So that's the basic riff for the verses, and you can play the chords as you're playing it. That's another one. I typically don't. The song is more just a bass line going, and probably some kind of keyboard or something in the background, but it's for the most part, especially if you sing, just play that riff while you're singing it and you'll be fine. But just to do a quick with the chords, so the chords, because the same chords you need for your chorus, so it's your E, your G, your D with your 2nd fret, and your A. So when if you're gonna do the verse with the chords, you might have to change your voicings just so you can get your runs in. See, we're barring instead of doing the other way, and then it's to the. So instead of doing that part, instead of hitting here, I'm doing the open string. Same note, just a different position, and it just makes it easier if you're doing the chords. Anyways, so if you want to play the chords while you're doing the verse, those are the ones to throw in. And as you can see, I don't do that often, that's why it sounds like crap. But when you get to the chorus, I play them in a different voicing instead of bar. I don't know. I try not to ever bar. I always find it's better, the closer to the nut you are, the more resonance you get. So I try to always play everything as much as I can with open strings or down here. Same goes for when I play guitar as well. Anyways, so the chords for the chorus, again, are the E, to the G, to the D with your 2nd fret, to your A. See, I do an open D there just as a transition. That's pretty much the song as I have it. Just play the whole thing, start with the verse and chorus. See how it sounds once you put it all together, but you already seen when I started the video. But the whole reason I make these videos is so I can play, so I'll play. So I did notice one thing. See, that's why I play it through again. It's not for me, it's for you. Is when you're doing that bass line, verse line, there's some muted notes I do in there quite a bit just to give you either percussion or timing. Let's see here. Let's see. You hear that the muted notes are there? Just keep that in mind when you're learning it and playing it through. Might help with your timing and give you a little bit more of a sound. I don't know. Anyways, have fun, make it your own, and we'll see you guys next time.